Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Salad Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
Any student should have an integral development. So for that, auditorium is one of the important components wherein you can have interaction with let's say experts. The National Education Policy 2020, it clearly says that what we have to adopt is learner-centric approach. If you look at the way in which the teaching was going on for the last 8 to 9 decades also, it was basically teacher-centric in the sense that teacher goes to the class and then he or she, whatever he or she prepared or whatever knowledge they have, that's being communicated to the student. But then the NEP says, National Education Policy says that this teaching has to be learner-centric, wherein you have to have a space learning, you have to have an emotional learning, you have to have an application-oriented education. Space learning, when I say that, a teacher should be able to, develop the creative, whatever a student has some creative, nature, that has to come out. In fact, in my definition, if you ask me who is a good teacher, I would say that one who makes the student to think.
We can construct this, but without the proper human resources, we can never make a good team. Without a good team, we can never achieve anything.